Are you ready? He's ready, guys. Look, his feet and his head. Ito pa pala yung mga gamit na hahakutin ni Dominic.
Almost out of room already.
No more space?
Pretty close.
Hi! Daddy is almost done. Tingnan nyo naman yung bata. Palis na kami. Nagpupo pa. Last luggage.
Yeah, I'll see what
Ready to go.
You can't fit it in the car. You have to stay here.
You're gonna leave? No more space for you. Hey! Si Dominic is driver. Ako naman, guys, entertainer ng batang ito. Ay! 5 hours and 53 minutes.
That's if we don't stop.
We are here at the gas station again. Ife-feeding namin si Baby James kasi nagugutom na po siya. You still have what? 4 hours?
4 hours.
Yeah.
No, not wanting to eat.
I am full. 2 hours and 23 minutes na lang, guys. Tell them I'm awake again. Hello, guys. What's up? Good morning. Today is the special day. We've been waiting for this time, guys, for almost 2 years. Nakasal ng sister-in-law ko. And finally, this is it. So, actually, yung kasal niya, guys, is Friday pa. Pero, ano pa lang, Tuesday pa lang ngayon, guys, aalis na kami. Kasi itutour daw nila ako doon sa Maryland and Washington, D.C. So, parang ano na din, mag-attend ng wedding at the same time, family bonding or family vacation with Dominic's family. So, ayun! Ang aming baby boy is ready! Wow! Can you see hi? Are you ready? He's ready, guys. Look, his feet and his head. So, good luck for us kasi 6 hours ang travel, guys, ang biyahe. Pero, syempre, may bata kami. Kailangan namin mag-stop para mag-feed sa kanya. So, maybe yung 6 hours namin, mag-turn siya ng 8 or 9. It depends. Depende sa bata na ito. So cute. He's a happy kid since this morning. Siguro napafeel din niya na we're going somewhere. Kasi kagabi pa lang nagpapak na kami, di ba? So, ayan. Si Daddy yan dun sa labas. Naghahakot ng mga gamit namin. Guys, iba pala talaga pag may anak na kayo, ano? Kasi parang feeling mo mag-evacuate na kayo. Kasi ang dami namin dala. Parang lilipat na kami ng bahay. Kasi gamit pa lang ni James, guys. Ang dami na. Dito ako sa kitchen. Si Baby James. Ito yung kanyang diaper bag. So, dito yung mga kakailanganan namin habang nag-travel. Lahat ng yung milk niya, diaper niya, changing pad. Dadaling ko din pala itong aking laptop kasi yung phone ko, guys, kailangan ng space all the time kapag nag-vlog ako. And kita nyo naman, guys, yung asawa ko, ayan. Ganyan yan si Dominic pag nag-travel. Ilang piraso yung mga list niya. More organized na tao, di ba? 3 piraso yan, guys. Ito lahat-lahat yung mga dinala namin. Ayan. So, yung coffee namin, nag-board kami kasi kailangan namin yan, lalo na si Dominic. Tapos, bumili kami ng bagong tumbler for James para sa hot water niya. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung 1 gallon water na dadalhin namin for travel. Ito pa pala yung mga gamit na hahakutin ni Dominic. So, may mga, dinala namin yung mga pagkain namin na mapapanis kasi 1 week kami doon, guys. Ang dami, dinala din namin yung plancha namin kasi i-iron namin yung gagamitin namin sa wedding. Itong bag, buong bag na to, guys. Ayan, pagsasanitize lang to.
Almost out of room already.
No more space?
Pretty close. Stuff's
Oh,
all
no.
huge.
I know.
Hi, James. We didn't forget about you. Tommy's just talking through her phone.
Now we vlog together. He's so happy.
Is he?
Yeah, he did.
I'm about to put some of this back there with you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And the rest, guys. Opo, you okay?
You want to bring him with you?
Yeah. Cloudy today. Ang bata ko, guys, umiiyak. James! Hi! Hi! You're happy now? Oo, we're about to leave. Daddy is almost done packing. Okay? I love you! Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung bata. Paalis na kami. Nagpupo pa. Ha? Yan, tinanggal ko muna sa car seat niya. Ang kulit ng batang ito. Chunky legs na ito, ha? Ha? Pupo na naman ng bata. Ayan, change mo na kita, baby. Lambot na lang gid, guys. Kabuyag-buyag sang paa, guys. Oh, lambot na lang gid sang bata nga ito. Afam na ito. Be, come here. Come here, my love. Last luggage.
Yeah, I'll see if we
Ready
can
to
fit it.
go.
You can't fit it in the car. You have to stay here.
You're gonna leave? No more space for you.
Space.
Guys, look at our car.
James.
No more space at the back. We don't have space for you. Can you stay here?
We don't need
We bring all your stuff. Just leave you here. Huh? No space for mommy. Okay, we love you so much. We're gonna bring you, even though mommy and daddy have less stuff to bring, as long as all your stuff we can bring, you know?
Connection success.
Any room for this?
Yeah, hold it.
Still got this. And then a back.
Yeah, I can put here in my...
This can definitely fit here. In between.
Oh, can I bring that? My regular phone is there.
Okay.
Yeah, because I bring the laptop, guys, para sa editing ko. Mag-i-edit ako doon. Yan. So, we need it here at the back kasi pag padede kami mamaya, andito lahat ng gamit ni James. Yeah. Alright! May pillow ako, kaya matutulog ako, guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Si Dominic cannot sleep. There we go! Andito na kami sa gas station. Nakaalis na kami sa bahay. And me and baby James nandito sa likod. And si Bobby. At si Bobby? Sino si Bobby? And si baby. Si baby. Naguguluhan na ako, guys. So, si Dominic andoon sa labas nagpa-pump. Kasi hindi naman siya empty yung tank ng car niya. Pero sabi niya, gusto niya lang daw maka-extra, maka-save ng oras. Kasi pag nawala. Kasi ata, quarter na lang yung kulang para mapuno, pero sabi niya pupunuin niya na lang daw kasi para makasave to kami ng time. And this kid needs to get feed. And itong bata na to, guys, kailangan nakahawak sa akin. Itong bata na to, guys, kailangan pakainin na siya ulit by 1:30. So yung goal namin is 3 hours between the feeding. Pero let's see, kasi pag natutulog naman siya, hindi na namin kailangan na gisingin siya para kumain, di ba? So ayun. Ay, tingnan nyo naman yung kamay. Say hi. Are you excited? This is your first road trip. Huh? He's looking for his dada outside. We can't hear him, guys, outside. Just the sound. Tingnan pa ng senyorito. Ang haba-haba ng paa niya, guys. Tingnan nyo yan, pag straight niya, labas na sa car seat. Tambot na lang din sa imo kabuyag. Daddy, how you feel, Dad?
Good.
Good?
6.5 hours ahead of me, so not bad though. We've had longer.
I try not to sleep, okay?
2 hours a day too. Everything says that every time.
Guys, ang lungkot ng weather today. Look at the weather. They're sad. Look at the clouds. OMG, it looks like it's raining. James? Psst. Yeah. Guys, naiwan kami ni Baby James dito sa car. Si Daddy lang yung pumasok sa loob ng McDonald's. Kasi ang haba-haba ng drive-thru nila, guys. So, ayun, paikot yung pila sa buong... Paikot yung pila ng mga sasakyan sa loob ng building ng McDonald's. So, papasok na lang daw siya sa loob. Tapos, mag-CCR naman siya. So, Si Dominic is driver. Ako naman guys, entertainer ng batang ito. Ay! Mababa ang kaligayahan, di ba? Ay! Ay! Pero ang hirap mag-entertainer, ha? Nakakaubos ng energy. By the way guys, ito pala yung new look ko. Hindi na ako nakagawa ng vlog sa pagpapagupit. Kasi, late ako nung time na yun. So, wala nang oras. Lagi ako late. Ewan ko ba, nadadala ko yung Filipino attitude habits ko dito sa Amerika. So, ayun. Tapos, hindi ko pa alam kung saan yung address. Tapos, nasa highway na kami. So, ayun, naligaw pa kami. Kaya na-late ako. So, nasa stress na ako. Kaya hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi naiinis na ako. Yun yung problema kasi ako na ngayon may kasalanan, ako pa yung naiinis, diba? So naawa din ako kay Dominic, nag-sorry naman ako after nun. Kasi guys, nung last na pagupit ko, hindi yun yung address. Tapos ngayon nagtaka ako, bakit hindi ito yung address ng pinuntahan ko last time. So parang naguguluhan ako kung saan talaga yung totoo. Kasi diba, kapag nagkaroon ng store, marami silang store sa iba't ibang location. So sabi ko, baka ibang location itong mapupuntahan natin. So ayun pala guys, lumipat sila. Oo, iba na yung location nila. Siya halata pala guys, pero nagpa-highlights ako ng buhok. Ayan, hindi na siya masyadong halata. Ayan, kung nakakita niyo yan siya. Ayoko kasi ng medyo obvious talaga. So, ayan. Pag naarawan to guys, ma-appreciate niyo talaga siya. Kaso ngayon cloudy kasi kaya hindi natin siya ma-appreciate. So, diba? Ganito yung look natin sa wedding. Tsaka, by the way pala guys, bridesmaid ako. So, ayun! Ako lang yung bridesmaid. Actually, si Dominic dapat groomsmaid siya. Kaso walang may magbabantay sa bata na ito. Kapag dalawa kaming, part ng wedding. Pero, okay lang yun kasi andun naman silang dalawa eh. Wow! Wow, burger?
What? What is that?
So, we got a burger.
Yeah, they didn't have.
And Dominic bought the small one, guys. Like a baby.
They look like double burgers. Single burger.
What that? It's so small.
Oh. Yeah. I tried.
But you bought two, so it's okay.
And fries.
And fries too.
Very healthy.
Good.
Very good though.
Yeah. And we brought our own coffee. Ooh, sour.
People.
Typical. Guys, kain daw ni Dominic yung second burger niya.
How about yourself? I can unwrap it for you.
Ayan guys, so far,
Gone 21 miles.
ayan guys, 5 hours and 53 minutes.
That's if we don't
Yeah,
stop.
wala pa kaming stop niyan guys for James feeding.
Which we'll do.
Ayaw.
And we're supposed to at 1:30 if he's awake.
Yeah, he's awake.
Yeah.
He heard.
Huh? He woke up?
Guys, tingnan niyo yung french fries dito sa Amerika. Napakaliit niya. It's been a while we get some McDonald's, babe, no? Yeah, long time we never had McDonald's, guys. Kasi hindi kasi ito yung... Marami kasi ditong fast food. Tingnan nyo naman yung fries niya. Ang maliliit. Skinny. Sama na sleepy. Hey guys! We are here at the gas station again. It's so windy. Guys, nandito kami sa gas station, guys. It's a rest stop also kasi if-feeding namin si Baby James kasi nagugutom na po siya. And also para makaalis din siya sa car seat niya, guys, kasi mag-isang oras na din kasi siya nakaupo lang din sa car seat niya ba. It's so windy. Look our daddy.
Hello. Morning. Forgot to call the bank, let them know I'm traveling. Sometimes I'll shut down your card if they all of a sudden see that you're in all these different states spending money. They think someone stole your card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can still do it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna give them a call. Or do it on the app.
And then we're gonna get some coffee.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna try to pour out what we have.
Guys, they got some Dunkin' Donuts. Wow.
You okay with just the original?
Oh, yeah. Daddy get some coffee.
Looks hot at least.
So hot.
It's good.
It's boiling. Satisfied?
Definitely hot. That's good.
That's good. And I want some donut, babe. This one.
Okay.
They have a lot of options. Hello, James. Nandito kami sa inside ng gas station. Inside ng gas station. What's your pag-isip?
What?
Gas station.
Gas station.
Yeah. Malaki yung store nila dito, guys. Daming pagpipilian na bilihin.
Soaking in the sights.
James, you're enjoying? You still have what? 4 hours?
4 hours. Wow.
Good, James.
Think, buddy.
There's a car.
Lots of
So,
cars.
dyan kami huminto, guys. Bumili ng pagkain tsaka kape. James!
Hi, Mama.
Hey, yo.
No, he's not wanting to eat because he's too fascinated by the cars
Look at that,
outside.
guys. Like,
Yeah.
look. Looking around, look.
I keep trying to lay him down. He's not having it.
James! We need to eat.
So
Look,
we
guys,
stopped.
his milk is still full.
We stopped for you, pal. We don't need gas. I'm gonna go. You were hungry.
You wanna num num or no?
Let's try one more time. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Don't choke yourself.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa loob. Dito kami pumasok sa may lounge nila, guys. Dito namin pinadidit si Baby James. What happened to the milk? What happened to the milk? The milk na baby? Yay! He finished his milk, guys.
Pretty
I
close.
prepare him 8 and
Just more than he normally eats.
Shower guest
Yeah.
47. Your shower is now
This is the
ready.
lounge.
Please proceed to shower 1.
Alright, time to get back on the road. What do you think, buddy?
I am full.
Only took an hour.
An hour just to feed him.
Yeah, he was like, there's so many interesting things. That's what he's thinking.
So okay, we're gonna stop again later.
Oh,
I hope not.
hopefully not. Maybe we can feed you in the car next time so he's not distracted. What do you think? You guys ready?
Yeah. Hello! We are back! We are back na sa highway. 1 hour yung nawala sa amin para lang ma-feed si James.
Should have been 15 minutes.
Yeah, just normally 15 minutes finish na yan siyang kumain. Pero ang arte-arte niya, guys, is so juicy. Like, nakatatlong position kami, guys. Nakatatlong spot kami para lang i-feed siya. And nandito na kami finally. At least natapos na, di ba? So, Dominic bought me some donuts. Itong Bavarian.
Coffee, that's not cold.
And then our coffee, it's cold. It's our fault too because we bought the coffee first and then feed him. But we didn't realize that
I thought he was gonna,
takes,
we're gonna buy the coffee and then go feed him and then leave in 10 minutes.
yeah. So, malamig na yung kape namin. But it's better than nothing. Babe,
That's right.
and he's doing good. Normally, he don't eat that much.
Yeah, he's a good boy. He was just interested in the world.
Yeah, because he's been, like, I feels like trapped in the car seat for a long time.
Yeah.
Like, this is the longest time that
Yeah,
he's been in the car seat.
Yeah. We do.
And he's excited to look around because there's a lot of cars, di ba? Pasok na kami ng bridge. Here we go. The bridge is unique. It's color blue.
Should we look over to so we're crossing over?
Yeah. And they have some bridge on that side too. Ooh, we're entering the tunnel.
What do you think, James?
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Dark.
I can see James. So great. I see a lot of this in Miami, Florida.
A lot of tunnels.
Yeah. When you enter the tunnels, you're not yet in the water. across the water.
Wow. So
Yeah.
you go under the ocean.
Yeah, you're already under the ocean.
That's creepy.
James, how are you?
Yep. There's a sign from West Virginia right there.
Oh, West Virginia.
It says number 1 hotel in West Virginia.
Hampton
I didn't
Inn.
see a big sign saying welcome to West Virginia or anything.
Yeah. How are you, baby? Huh? The baby is happy. Kasi he's full. Abo, 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 abo. Abo. Ha? This kid is so goofy. Huh? You're full na? That's why you're happy? Abo, 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 abo. Ambot na lang yun sa imo kaumul-umul. Ikaw, kaurumul, gudi ka nga bata. Ambot na lang yun. I love you. I love you. Oo. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Apo, apo, apo. Update guys, we're 3 hours and 40 minutes na lang. And ang ating baby right here guys, natutulog for the second time around. So handsome. Sweet dreams, my love. Yeah, he's sleeping guys. That's good. He likes the car ride. So far, overall, he's a good baby though. How are you holding up, Daddy?
Not too bad.
Not too bad? Still awake?
Still awake.
Good. I didn't sleep. I'm supporting you, you know?
Yes, thank you. James kept you awake.
Yeah.
See what happens now that he's asleep.
And, so we're here now guys in Pennsylvania. Don't expect guys na we're gonna get a lot of film when we arrive there. Because Dominic's family, they're kind of like private people. Even Dominic, before I met him guys, he's like a private person. If you want to look his Facebook account, try guys to look his Facebook account. It's Dominic Bailey. He will get like a new updated post in there if I tagged him. Kung may bagong post ako, tinatag ko siya. Ayun, may new post sa kanyang Facebook. But if you see the last post that he made, probably like years ago, huh? Like you're the one who
If I
posted.
posted it,
Yeah.
it had to have been before. I think
Like maybe 5 years or like maybe,
we were already together.
yeah.
Made me update my photos so that way your family could see a recent photo.
Yeah, so can you imagine that his mom were already dating and then his mom asked him to update his profile picture sa Facebook. But his profile picture guys is his younger brother and him. I told him already that I'm gonna change his Facebook profile to our family picture
Yeah,
and he didn't do it. Maybe I'm gonna do it myself.
that's fine.
That's
Yeah.
fine?
I think so.
Okay.
They had to approve of the photo.
Just don't expect na you're gonna see a lot, but we will try our best. I asked Dominic kasi I shy to film with his family, so I asked him to film kasi it's his family. Kasi nakakahiya naman kasi guys, now we're just having a family time
Right.
for a while, and
they'd be
then
happy to be on the film. I'm just the one who's trying to say like, you know, let's just spend time and film less.
yeah.
I mean, we can obviously still film. Just you know, if you don't see them very often, you should have a camera in their face the whole time.
Yeah, so that's Dominic's thing.
So like a balance.
Yeah, so that's why. That's why.
You can blame me.
I can blame you?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's his fault, guys. He don't allow me to film when we were his family. But
I
we
said
spent
minimal. You can still
minimal.
balance. Yeah, not every day.
Yeah, but actually, guys, I'm shy. Kasi when we were there, they like to talk, to play board games. So yeah, you know, Filipino culture is so different than American culture. I realized that. But anyway, we will try our best and hope Dominic is not gonna be lazy to film.
No. All me now.
Yeah, so that we can see more. Okay.
All right.
Alright. Our baby Munchkin is right there in the mirror.
That's now.
Look at his feet. So cute.
Guys, it's so pretty.
Here we go. 2 hours and 23 minutes na lang, guys. And actually, we are here now in Maryland.
Just on the other side.
Yes, sir. And our baby is still sleeping, which is good.
He's a great boy.
Yeah, look at that.
It's the longest trip he's ever been on.
Guys, it's so crazy. Look at outside.
So the fog.
It's so foggy. Look at that. What's your dream, James? Look at that! That's so cool. They curved the mountain, guys, para magkaroon lang ng road. Update lang sa ating biyahe. Madilim na sa labas, guys. How many more minutes? Here we go.
1 hour and 30 minutes.
Here we go. 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Currently 6:40 p.m.
Yeah. We arrived there like almost 8 o'clock.
Yeah, well, it'll be 8:15-ish. No more stops, though.
Yeah, no more stop. And Daddy's surviving.
Daddy's surviving. James is full.
James
Gas
is
tank's
happy. James! James! Say hi! Tell them I'm awake again! Oh, see?
full.
Can you tell them thank you for watching my vlog? Tell them thank you for watching my vlog. Follow my Facebook page. What's your Facebook page? The Bailey Squad. Right? You follow him, guys, yeah? Madilim na. Yan, umuulan pa. We have, how many more minutes na lang?
34.
We have 34 minutes. And madilim na. Mag-aalas 8 na pala ng gabi, guys.